Hi everyone, this is a video about this Bissell pet hair eraser that is very powerful cordless vacuum that it comes with one of these that is brushed motor in here that it just gets rid of the hair and so on. It is not bad, considering that it has a 14.4 volt batteries in here, but unfortunately the battery is not very good, and the battery that it comes with it is this that I have changed. I show you the link to buy this battery. It has 12 AA NiMa batteries, and it comes with a charger, 18.4 volt charger that is charges the battery. But unfortunately this battery's life is not really good, and the motor in here is very strong. So someone brought this to me to see what is going on, and I realized that the battery is dead. So I had to change the battery. And some people, they wash this and wash this part without knowing that there are cables running through here. So just a note to remember that you shouldn't wash this. You always have to wipe it with a wet cloth, and that's it really. And if you want to wash it, you have to open these two screws and get rid of remove all the cables from here, wash it, and then install it back in. But this video is more about the repair, at how to repair this item, how to change the battery, and how to order it. I just show you where I have purchased this battery. This is the battery that I have ordered, is £20, £22.60, and these guys, they are really good. By all means, I recommend these people. So if you go there and type 14.4 volt AA battery pack, you can find them here, and then you can purchase it, and it arrives after 48 hours, and I really recommend that. And this one, the original battery is 1500 milliamp hour, and the one that I replaced it is 2600 milliamp hour. I show you the battery itself, so I put all of these aside and I show you how to open this. First, you have to remove this part, and these are the connection for this brushed motor, and here we have 8 screws, 2 in here, 2 here, 1 in here, and 1 and 1 and 1, altogether 8 screws. And when you take them out, and you have to remove this sticker from here as well, otherwise it's stuck there. So when you open it, it's really easy to open it, but you have to have a grip somewhere to just open this, and then it just opens up, and this is the battery charger unit. not the unit, the connector is here, and this is the battery that I have replaced it with. 2600 milliamp battery, and it's really simple. You just open this part and get this battery out of there, cutting it to different length to avoid you know, a short here. And then this battery, you just cut the ends and connect it to the corresponding color cables, and then you have your batteries connected. And this is the battery that I have purchased, 2600 milliamp hour, and is NiMa, exactly the same as the battery inside here, and everything is working well right now. And before, when you attempt to charge the battery, because the battery was absolutely flat, the red light, this red light would come on, and because the battery was flat, it would just go off after 5 seconds, because the board, charging board here, could sense that there is not enough power in here to charge it, so it's just cut it off. And this battery, I guess, is going to work much better than the old one, as it has 1100 milliamp hour more than this old one. I'm going to open this later and see how maybe one cell or two cells are bad, and the rest, I think they might be good. I can revive them and use it in my home appliances as a rechargeable battery. So as you see, it's charging, and this is how it sounds. And before, it wasn't even going to turn on the motor. So I'm going to put this back together off camera. This was just a video to show you how to change the battery and where to get the battery from eBay. Anyhow, I hope you find this video helpful, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time and stay well.